Hello, mine fans, and welcome to another episode of Will It Run, Old Mining Equipment Edition. Actually, we've just been gifted this wonderful compressor behind me, old mining compressor, that's going to be moved up to the mines in the near future. And let's take a quick look at it, shall we? With me, of course, is Paul of Better Call Paul, the can do, all do in Tecopa that moves pretty much anything everywhere. And he's helping me look this thing over prior to trying to move it up and out of here and back to the mines. So as you can see, this monster is a pretty good sized piece of equipment. Old Gardner-Denver compressor, probably put out about 650 cubic feet per minute from what I've heard. And it would power the muckers and the drills and pretty much everything else underground that needed air. And this one's got a history to it. It was originally used out at my mines and wound up going over to the talc mines, and Pfizer donated it out here, and now it's kind of in the way, and we're going to take it up and give it a good home and do some restoration work on it, and should represent the biggest piece of equipment to come back to the mines, but should be home, and we'll take good care of it, and I had to get some cat yellow paint back on it and replace some parts here and maybe even make it run. God willing, creek don't rise and Cat and Gardner-Denver come through for me. But have a hunch this is probably going to need some help from y'all out there too. So I'm going to throw the GoFundMe out there again. And anybody wants to throw a few bones in, it'll all go towards getting this monster out of the ground here and back out to the mines, so everybody can see it and appreciate it and tell some of the story of what used to work out there. So stay tuned for that info, and stay tuned for more videos, because we are going to be moving this thing, and it should be quite the adventure looking at what we're looking at here. Hi. I'm going to go find Cleo.